Hi there, traders. This is Brad Goodwin with today's trading action. All right, now looking at the markets, we are starting to get primed for some really good moves here. Now, what I'm talking about, and it's on the major currency pairs, right? The dollar is in play big time. Now, we've got the direction set, we just haven't got the timing right. Now, let me explain what I sort of mean by that. Now, there's been a bit of a fundamental shift. The market is starting to factor in US Federal Reserve rate cuts, right? The yields are falling pretty quickly, right? So that leads lower interest rate yields in the US, weaker dollar, and you have this risk on profile. Equities go up, right? There's more money for equity markets. So traders pile into equities, euro, sterling, Aussie, Kiwi go up as well. So this is probably the first shift we've seen in a while that is really tangible, right? And you can start to see what's going on here on the charts. We're starting to see, dollar Swiss, dollar yen go. The dollar index, obviously, a bit of a reflection of what euro's doing, which is going up. Sterling's going up. Then there's even a chance here for the battlers, Aussie and Kiwi, to start going up. And I wouldn't be surprised to start seeing dollar CAD go down. But you know what? We need oil to sort of rally for that to happen. So the dollar is sliding, right? And this isn't just a sort of a one-off thing. It's tangible because we can see it in the on the US Treasury yields. And if you look around the news, there's a lot of crap around, but dollar slips on Fed credibility concerns, right? Talk about undermining the Fed independence and all sorts of things. I wouldn't be surprised. That's what Trump's doing. So that's where we are. This is a potentially really big move, right? Now, if you come back to the live trade signals, right, we are getting bullish signals here: Aussie, Euro, Sterling, Kiwi, bearish signals, dollar yen, dollar Swiss, right? The writing is on the wall. We just need the right timing for the trades, right? So I'm almost tempted to put these trades on and waiting for the the short-term alert to get into the trades, right? Because if we do see an opportunity and they dip or reverse, it'll only be a short-term move and then we'll see the continued rally, right? Or this is the other alternative and back to sort of normal market trading. And that is looking at the calendar, because today, right, there's not much coming out anywhere except for the US, right? We've got the durable goods coming out, GDP numbers, and the initial jobless claims, right? There's a bunch of US numbers here that are coming out. If these numbers come out weak, it really supports the overall move here on the major currency pairs. So keep an eye on the dollar, keep an eye on the US economic numbers and the live signals at the moment. If I refresh that, Euro Swiss has gone off the table and we are waiting for opportunities, right? So right now, nothing in play, but that's what I'm saying. They are lining up, right? The majors, they are coming to town. It's been a while, as long as Trump keeps his nose out of the trough, we should have a potential trading opportunity here. And just watch the US numbers. If they're weak, it fits the picture. And that's what we're looking for, right? Okay, guys, have a good one. All the best. Cheerio.